In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your wish list in GOG quickly and easily. If you've been wondering where your saved games are or how to get back to your wish list from the GOG store, this step-by-step guide will walk you through it in just a moment. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open GOG in your browser or launch the GOG platform if you already have it installed. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Home. This will take you back to the main home section of GOG, which is where you can access different parts of your account and store navigation more easily. After that, move up to the top menu and click on Wishlist. This is where GOG keeps all of the games and items you've saved for later. If you've been browsing titles and adding them to your wishlist, this is the place to find everything in one spot. Once you click Wishlist, you'll be able to view all of your wishlisted games. From here, you can review what you've saved, keep track of games you want to buy later, and check for discounts or updates on titles you're interested in. It's a really helpful feature if you like organizing games before making a purchase. And that's it. Now you know how to view your wishlist in GOG. It only takes a few clicks, but it can save you time whenever you want to come back to your favorite games. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.